Hello! Happy Sunday! Lovely people, we're gonna do how to cook the perfect tuna steak. It's a basic way to cook the tuna steak. Look at this tuna, it's very gorgeous. Get yourself a nice sharp knife, take the slice. If I was to cut it like this, it's just gonna cook so quickly. It's gonna be overcooked. I wanna go for a minimum of a 2 cm thickness slice. So I'm gonna slice nice long. It's very easy to cut.
I try to find reason to stay here in this cage of mine. Well, I don't need no borderline. I don't need that frame of mind. Let me tell you,
What we're gonna do here is just to put our steak to the side, and I'm going to do a little rub. I get a little teaspoon of coriander seeds.
Nobody but me. Nobody. Listen, now you're gone back, and I want you back. Those things I ever said, regret seeing them.
I'm just gonna pound that up, cracking it, smashing it. You don't have to get it super fine either. So it doesn't take much time to get it. Just season the board.
That you don't know what you got till it's gone. I do need somebody. I need my baby.
Pick up your steak and just plop it until like that.
I need my baby.
Now all I do now is a tiny little message up of
My baby.
olive oil. Just a little pat around the edge, just like that. Here we've got the pan that's very hot. It's super hot, it's preheated. I want it frying, I want it searing, I want it charring. So first up, I'm gonna put the tuna into the pan. Nice non-stick pan. We're gonna go onto the griddle pan, just touch it and push it down so it's fully contact with the bar. Really important things mentioned here, you guys. Always with the griddle pan, never put the oil in it. Never, ever, ever. Right, you just want it screaming hot. You want it to dry it. If we look into the pan, you can see the effect of the heat on the fish, and you need to sort of recognize that there is the seed in which heat is traveling through the fish.
I do need somebody. I need my baby. Yeah, yeah. I do need somebody.
This is a nice opportunity just to drizzle in good oil again. Any meat or fish that comes off the grill or off the oven is gonna start to wanna really dry up. Also, I'm just gonna have a little lemon to protect the fish and the season as well. I'm serving this with the beautiful mixed bean, carrot, and French fries.